Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your carrier allows voicemail deactivation. Some require a customer request. Once done, open the phone app and go directly to Settings or the three-dot menu to find voicemail or call settings. You should have your phone number and account password ready because carriers may ask to verify identity before any change. This initial move gets you into the right menu quickly so you can take the first actionable step without needing extra setup or steps. You now perform the core action. In voicemail settings, locate a toggle or an option labeled Deactivate and switch it off. Save the change. If your device lacks that control, go to Call Forwarding and remove any forwarding rules pointing to your carrier voicemail number. This effectively stops calls from routing to voicemail. Make sure to save settings, then restart your phone so the network and device resync. Once done, test by calling your number from a different phone to confirm voicemail no longer answers. You finish by contacting your carrier or using its app when device controls don't work. Ask them to disable voicemail on your account. Once they confirm, test by calling your number from another phone and letting it ring until it would normally go to voicemail. Make sure no greeting or message prompt occurs. If voicemail still answers, double-check call forwarding settings for any leftover forwarding digits and remove them. If that fails, escalate to carrier support and request a full account-level disable, as the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.